Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Monday 17th August 2020 and in today's English lesson we are going to start our revision and reinforcement. So why are we going to start our revision and reinforcement? Yes, the reason is that we are going to conduct our first term examination in the first week of September. For this one, it's very important to revise all the taught concepts which we have studied so far in our units. So today that's why we are going to start our revision and reinforcement. हम रिविजन और रीइंफोर्समेंट में हमने सो फार जितने टॉपिक्स कवर किए हैं, यूनिट्स कवर किए हैं, हम उनको रिवाइज करेंगे. फॉर दिस वन लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट द टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स कि हमने सो फार कितने यूनिट्स कवर किए हैं. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज़ द टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स. Pippi Longstocking, A Night in June, Pippi Meets a Convict, Storyteller, Anansi and Five, Leisure. These are the units so far जिनको हमने प्रैक्टिस किया है, जिनको अभी हमने स्टडी किया है, जिनको हमने लर्न किया है. Now we are going to start our revision from unit number 1. Alright children, first story, unit number 1 is Pippi Longstocking. Alright, you see this is the story about a girl called Pippi Longstocking. She was a very strange and weird sort of girl. You see the way she looks, the way she dresses up. You see her hairs, they were very strange. She has got carrot color hairs and you see her long stockings. You see she's wearing long stocking. One is blue and the other is a striped one, and she has a pet monkey who was always dressed up. So finally in the end of the story, Pippi Longstocking met with her neighbors Tommy and Annika. So basically there are 4 characters: her pet monkey, Pippi Longstocking, Annika and Tommy, right? First of all, Tommy and Annika thought about Pippi that she's very strange, and because she was behaving very strangely, she was moving backwards. So eventually what happens, they become friends. They all become friends. All right, so this is the story, and let's take a look at the true or false statement related to the story. Let me show you closely. Say whether the following statements about the story are true or false. Tommy and Annika lived next door to Pippi. Yes, that's true. The monkey was wearing an orange tie. Is that true? No. You see, the monkey was not wearing any tie. He was wearing only a hat and yellow jacket. Pippi's shoes were too small. Is that true? Nah, that's wrong. That's false. Her shoes was really large. Tommy was very shy. False. Pippi walked home backwards. That's true, because यही वो चीज़ थी जिसने अनिका और टॉमी के सामने उसको weird and strange girl बनाया. Pippi invited Tommy and Annika to breakfast. That's true. Alright, these are the statements about the story, and I'm sure आप इसको revise करेंगे. Alright children, let me tell you one thing which is very important, because आपके जो papers हैं, आपका जो examination है, उसका paper pattern objective type है. Alright, so हम जितने भी grammar के और जो भी vocabulary के topics हम revise करेंगे और हम जो study कर चुके हैं, हम उनको practice worksheet में objective pattern में ही revise करेंगे. Alright, so now let's move towards next topic. We discussed articles, nouns and participles. So let's revise participles today. It's it's textbook page number 6. Alright, what are participles? First, excuse me. Let's recall what are the participles. Actually, the third form of the verb is called participle. That is called past participle. A verb has 3 different forms: present, past and participles. These are also called forms of the verbs: first, second and third. Present, past and participles, right? Present जो है उसकी form है first, and then past. Past, it refers something or some work and it refers to some action which has been done in the past, जो yesterday perform किया जा चुका है, right? So these are the 3 forms of verb. Let's take a look at these examples. Come, came, come. Drive, drove, driven. All of these are verbs, right? Participles are related to verbs, because third form of the verb is called past participle. Eat, ate, eaten. Sleep, slept, slept. Walk, walked, walked. Take, took, taken. Make, made, made. Alright children, some of these verbs are regular verbs and some of the verbs are irregular verbs. The verbs which make their past by adding ed are the regular verbs. For example, cook, cooked, cooked, cooked. Walk, walked, walked, right? Bake, baked, baked. So the verbs which make their past verb by adding ed are called regular verbs. So we can say that walk, cooked, cook, jump, these are regular verbs. And the verbs which make their past in a different way, they are called irregular verbs. For example, drive, drove, driven. Drive is the irregular verb. Eat is also irregular. Sleep is irregular. Take is irregular verb. Alright, so now it's time to practice on worksheet. Alright children, let me tell you that ये worksheet आप अपनी नोटबुक पे राइट कर सकते हैं, आप इसको अपनी लूज शीट पे या रफ रजिस्टर पे जिस पे आप होम प्रैक्टिस और रिवीजन करेंगे, आप उस पे इसको राइट करके प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. ऑलराइट, लेट मी शो यू क्लोजली. ऑलराइट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट डाउन द डेट एंड टॉपिक पार्टिसिपल्स. Write down forms of verb, right? Present, past and participles. Here, spread, break, go, stream, say, cheat, show, drive, think. Alright, so let's see how can we complete this one. Here, heard, H-E-A-R-D, heard, H-E-A-R-D, heard. Spread, spread, spread. Break, broke, broken. Go, went, gone. Alright, stream, say, cheat, show, drive and think. These are the verbs and you will write down past and participle by yourself as home practice. Alright, आप अपनी बुक से हेल्प लेंगे और आपने इसको कंप्लीट करना है इस वर्कशीट को एज प्रैक्टिस. ऑलराइट, ड्राइव, ड्रोव, ड्राइवन. थिंक, थॉट, थॉट. ऑलराइट, लेट मी राइट दिस फॉर यू. थिंक, थॉट, थॉट. Alright children, and this is your home practice. You have to revise and learn participles on textbook page number 6, and afterwards you will complete the worksheet. Alright, thank you very much for joining. Look after yourself. I'll see you tomorrow.